In Hampshire, we love to recycle. To help you do this, your local council has given each house a recycling container. Despite being really good at recycling through curbside collections, not all of us are putting the correct items into the right bins. That's why we're here to tell you about the top 5 items we'd like to see in your recycling bins. These include tins and cans, aerosols, paper and magazines, cardboard and plastic bottles. Once collected, our recycling is taken to a materials recovery facility, also known as an MRF, in Alton or Portsmouth for sorting. They are fed onto conveyor belts where staff remove any items we can't recycle, including recycling which has been put into plastic carrier bags. Then the smaller items are separated from larger ones, and magnets are used to pull out steel and aluminium cans, and light sensors are used to separate plastic from paper. When everything has been separated, the items are sent off to be remade into new products. With plastic bottles, they are cleaned, squashed and sorted with a beam that separates each type of plastic. The bottles are turned into flakes, washed and melted down again into new products. With cans, they are put into furnaces where they are melted, formed into large blocks which are cooled and rolled into giant coils of very thin metal. These coils are used to produce new food and drink and aerosol cans. With paper, they are pulped, washed and screened to remove all inks and contaminants. The pulp passes over presses and drying cylinders to create recycled paper. These rolls are used to print newspapers. However, we have found some items in your recycling bins that cannot be recycled, mainly because we do not have the facilities and equipment to recycle them, and may cause damage to machines at the MRF. These items are plastic pots, tubs, trays and film, drinks cartons, shredded paper, wrapping paper, foil, and recycling that's been put into plastic carrier bags. It costs extra time and money to sort these items out, and they have to be sent for disposal. But why do we love recycling so much? Well, there are environmental and financial benefits to recycling. For example, the materials we recycle are turned into new products, reducing the need for raw materials and energy for transportation. The newly recycled products are sold for a cheaper price. Also, recycling means that landfill sites will be less likely to be used. This saves money on disposal costs. So before you throw away that piece of rubbish, think about if it could be recycled. Help Hampshire become a greener and more environmentally friendly county. Reduce, reuse, recycle.